Hey everybody, Reverend Riley Vlogs here. Haven't done a vlog in quite a while, so I just picked this up, the Rocketfish 10.2 gigabit, whatever that is, those specs, 5 foot, 1.5 or whatever, 1,5 meter HDMI cable. I got it for, with tax, $15.89, which isn't bad because HDMI cables tend to be expensive. So there's a good story behind this. So I go in there, I look at all the HDMI cables, and yeah, there were two of these Rocketfish, same exact stuff, and the only thing that was different was the price. So I questioned it. It was either $19.99, which is kind of overkill, or $14.99, which was decent. So yeah, I questioned, and they said it was a problem, or they had them listed at the same things listed at two different prices, and they said that I would pay $14.99. So I did. Same exact cable, same everything. I checked the SKU and stuff, and they just had it shown differently, and that, like, yeah, you get the point. Two different prices, and same exact cable. So they gave it to me for $14.99, which I'm really glad I did. So I really wasn't going to do an unboxing, it's just HDMI cables. But some people did want a video, a few people here and there. I didn't really want to bore my regular audience because it's just HDMI cables. So I decided to do a vlog and explain. So I have my knife in case I need it. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Like here it has the pull thingy, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. Oh yeah, there were also a bunch of Halo 4 stuff, so then I pulled that out. Yep. So then this should open up. So that pulls that on out. So there, that's it. Yeah, that's about 5 feet. Yeah, it's just HDMI cables, that's it. Two Rocketfish HDMI cables with nice covers, which I'll be keeping. But yeah, that's my story. More of the story is don't be afraid to question the system. I saw that they were two different prices. I knew they were the exact same thing. I questioned the system, got them for the lower price. My win, their loss. Then again, they only lost $5. But more of the story is don't forget to question the system if it really should be one way or the other. In this case, I won because I questioned the system. And you're probably all tired of me saying question the system. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, this vlog right here. Yeah, don't forget to question the system if you really don't feel that it's equal. So, see you in the next vlog. Not sure when to wait, maybe. Hopefully soon, because I really like just rambling to the camera. But, yeah, I'll be using this for a variety of things. My Roku box, this other thing I just got, and my Blackmagic Intensity Pro with my Mac Pro, which is a really good upgrade for anybody because it's in the computer. But I'm rambling, so I'm gonna go on and end this now. Don't forget to question the system.